everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy new year, happy 2019. I hope you all had a good New Year's and holiday break if you had one. Our shop reopens tonight, which is January 4th, so I thought I would get back into my videos and show you what new releases we have for our first week back into 2019. We've got loads of stuff planned for this year, some really exciting things that I can't wait to share with you, but I thought we'd get straight into the new releases. And also some exciting news is that we have changed our matte paper. We found this really gorgeous paper that we kind of got to customize a little bit. So we customized the color, the feel, the glue, etc. So it's a lot whiter than our previous matte paper, but it's still really soft, really smooth, and you can use any pen to write on it. So that's some exciting news. This week we have 2 new weekly kits and 2 new functional icons. So let's just get straight into it. So the first new release are these travel icons, and let me just zoom in a little bit. As you can see, you've got some aeroplanes, some suitcases, and some passports down the bottom, which I think are really pretty to mark your travel, mark packing your luggage, mark, you know, like buying tickets or anything with your passports. So those are the first new functional icons. The next one are these really cute laptop icons with your laptop with, of course, a bow on it, and you've got like a pink and a marble one. So those are our 2 new functional icons. We've got heaps more to come as well. And then 2 new kits. So the first kit is called Delicate, and I'm showing you this on our new matte paper as well. So you can see it's really nice, white and vibrant, and it's got a white back, which is clear when you peel the sticker off. So this is just a really kind of muted pastel shade kit. It's called Delicate because I think that it's quite delicate. You'll see in the full boxes, and you've got this really nice pop of green and the purples as well. So this is your first functional sheet where you get your heart checklists, your weekly side box, some appointment labels, habit trackers, icons, sidebar labels, and a few other functional stickers. Your next sheet is your second functional sheet, so you've got your to-do and today headers, some silver glitter headers, more appointment labels, 2 bill dues, 2 weekend banners, and lots of drawn icons. Then your really pretty full boxes. You've just got some really nice florals and just kind of really pretty full boxes for you to pop into your planner. And then these are some block headers. I love this one full box here. It looks like, you know, you've got a piece of paper washi taped to a wall with all these pretty flowers on it. So those are your full boxes. Then you get your half boxes, quarter boxes, and little things. Your to-do boxes and some more appointment labels, your really pretty bottom washi and washi strips, and then your date covers and deco. And you've just got lots of really pretty florals on the deco there. And then of course it comes in your personal size, so you've got your side washi strips, some more headers, your drawn icons, the small full boxes, and then lots more functional stickers. So that is the first kit called Delicate. The second kit is called Willow, and it's again a really lovely color palette. You've got more of a magenta palette with a pop of dark green as well. So this is your first functional sheet. This is actually printed out on our vinyl paper, and this is our matte paper, so you can see the color difference. Obviously our vinyl is a little bit more saturated, but our new matte is actually really nice and saturated, so that just gives you the difference in the colors. So yes, same functional sheet as our last kit. Then your second functional sheet with your to-do and today headers, and then all of your icons. Really pretty full boxes, and I love the patterns in this kit. You've got some vases, a book, 2 of the girls, she's just looking into the mirror, and the quote says, "Surround yourself with people who get it." And then you've got your block headers down the bottom. Then you have your to-do boxes and appointment labels, your half boxes, quarter boxes and little things, your really pretty bottom washi and washi strips, and then your date covers and deco, and I'll just zoom in on the deco again so you can see that. And then of course it comes in the personal size. So again, you've got your side washi, your 4 full boxes, icons, and other functional stickers. So those are the first new releases for the year. I hope you guys really like them. I love how this all turned out. And you might see a kitten coming into frame. There he is. Ziggy says Happy New Year as well. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys then. Bye.